Breadman professional bread machine gives you bakery-like results from the comfort of your own home. The stainless steel finish looks great in any kitchen. The panel includes controls for everything from loaf size and crust color to programming the 15-hour delay timer and the 14 different baking functions. The fruit and nut compartment stores your favorite add-ins and then inserts them into the mix at the best time during the baking cycle. The dimensions of the unit are 13.5 inches wide, 8.5 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, so it fits in almost any kitchen setup. The included accessories simplify the baking process. The measuring spoon and cup are essential for adding accurate ingredients. The recipe book has great tips for choosing the right baking cycles, using the right ingredients, and so much more. Before adding ingredients, you should install the collapsible kneading arm. Its smart design stands up straight and spins to combine ingredients efficiently during kneading and collapses naturally during baking. When installing the piece, make sure it's aligned properly and attached securely. If it's not connected fully, it could lead to bad mixes or even scrape the bottom of the pan while it spins. Once the kneading arm is installed, it's time to add the ingredients. Add them to the baking pan in the order in which they're listed on the recipe. When everything is added in, all you need to do is close the lid and choose the right baking function and loaf size. Choose from 14 different baking cycles and from 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2 pound loaf. Make sure to follow the included recipe book to find the best cycle for all types of breads, doughs, and jams. For that bakery fresh bread on demand, get the Breadman professional bread machine in your kitchen.
Homemade bread from scratch can be a tedious process, but it doesn't have to be. With the Cuckoo Automatic Bread Maker, baking at home can be fun, fast, and simple. Pour your ingredients into the Cuckoo Bread Maker and start the automatic baking process using the intuitive selection of presets. Instead of manually dispensing your mix-ins, the fruit and nut dispenser will deposit the fruit and nuts for you. You can also select from a range of sizes and crust colors, including dark, medium, and light. This versatile bread maker includes 15 unique menu options, including French bread, sweet bread, whole wheat, and gluten-free. Choose the perfect time to enjoy your bread, as the delay timer allows you to schedule your bread making up to 15 hours in advance. The 360-degree heating technology creates a consistent texture, producing light and fluffy results. The Cuckoo Bread Maker can also be used to make yogurt, cake, jam, and much more. No more messy kitchen prep and hours of waiting. With the Cuckoo Automatic Bread Maker, you'll be baking like a pro.
Enjoy the delicious taste of freshly baked bread in the convenience of your home. with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Bake your favorite breads in under an hour with the Express Bake function. Just add the ingredients, choose your desired setting, add nuts and fruits in the dispenser, and enjoy. With your Oster Bread Maker with Express Bake, you can even prepare cakes, yogurt, and jam. Waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread is now possible with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker.
Zojirushi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.